Cool, hey guys, so in today's video I was thinking to do canvas stretching on the frame. Sometimes you have like a painting that you don't like. Instead of throwing the entire painting in the garbage, it's good to have the skill to be able to restretch on a frame. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'll show you in 3 steps how to do it the easy way. Okay, so like I said, we're going to do it the easy way. All you need for that, you need a ruler, you need pencil, scissors, and just a heavy-duty stapler. You don't even need canvas plier. I do it with my fingers, so yeah. The canvas is down. I put a frame. You need like for the gallery style frame, you need like a 3-inch border. I'm gonna cut around 3-inch. What I like to do when I do this, sometimes the frame will move, so just like to make sure like it's centered all the time, I'm going to do lines here, so if it moves I know where to put it back. So to start, we're going to lock this side first. I'm going to pull a little bit because when I'm going to stretch it, a little bit of wiggle on the other side. So first here and here, stretch it. Don't be scared to pull hard. And lock it here. Okay, so as you can see there's a little wave. This is good here. So I like to go the opposite way and stretch it diagonal a little bit to take it back here. It's okay if there's waves. We're gonna even it out at the end. And I like to do like this corner and the opposite corner, this corner, and at the end I'll finish with that wave there. As you can see, there's no more waves. Everything is flat and even. You should have 3 staples on each side. One in the middle for the frame, and 2 in the middle here. Like I said, leave that open here to be able to fold it. It's easier to play with. Okay, so how to fold the corners. That's the tricky part. Kind of easy, but yeah, it's a learning curve over time. So first of all, stretch and lock the corner. Once it's locked there, fold like that. So make sure that here is like really tight. Fold and fold it up. And what I like to do is apply pressure and really make it so it's tight. Come back, pull, lock. I keep a pressure here and I stretch on this side. There we go. Okay, cool. So final step, all corners are folded. We have to staple everything around. So what I like to do, I like to do a sequence. So all the middle, I'll do this middle here, middle, middle here, come back and do like middle again. So as you can see, the sequence here, I have a bigger space here, so this is what I'm working. I like to push it like that and lock. Okay, so final step. I'm gonna staple everything. This is way too big of a space. I like to have 1 inch between all the staples. So that's it. As you can see, it's all even. You want that rebound. This is super important. I mean, it's stretched enough. If you don't have a rebound and it goes like wavy, it's because you didn't pull enough and it's not stretched enough, and you don't want to paint on those wavy things. So if you want to practice, I would say like for the first try, I would use a smaller canvas, maybe like a 24-24. It's easier, and if you mess up, it's easier to redo it. So yeah, that's it, as easy.